Hey, today we're having here a new Subaru Forester 2019. It has the basic sound system, and that's a great car to demonstrate our plug-and-play audio upgrade design, especially for new cars. We will not touch anything on the current sound system. It means the head unit staying in, the speakers are staying in, we're not touching them. We're only plugging our system onto the current wiring using a harness made specifically for Subaru or for any other car for that matter. Once it's all plugged in, we're just gonna put everything back where it was. All the 4 channels will be amplified through the little amp and tuned to the point where it sounds way more natural than it is now. The speakers will no longer need to play the bass frequencies, because that's what the subwoofer is now here for. The head unit, you probably don't want to change that because it has all the functions of the steering wheel, camera control, all the system in the car. So we'll keep that unit in. We're using this small unit from Audiotec-Fischer. We have a harness specific for Toyota and Subaru. We'll be using this T harness to log onto the system. This way we are getting a new amplifier onto the current car sound system without actually changing or touching anything. There's no single wire cut. We don't need to drill a single hole. We don't even need to open the doors to change the speakers. If you want to go any further than this, yes, we can replace the speakers, we can soundproof your door, we can put more advanced sound system. But if you want to improve your bass response and quality, this is basically the first step you can do, and it's a huge difference already. So without further ado, let's jump on the installation. First thing, removing the head unit. Our system is basically just a harness and a little amplifier, which is very small, so it can fit behind the head unit. And the last step is just to put everything back to how it was as the original setup. The last part of the whole process is to get the sound system tuned up. We have connected computer to the system, and now we're gonna do all the adjustments and tweaks and tuning. I think that's it from me today. So if you are interested in having such a sound system as well, let us know. We are happy to help you.